Hey everyone, today we talk about how to profit in Atom Cosmos versus the dollar index. So the first, we talk about the Atom Cosmos divided by Ethereum. So you type the Atom Cosmos, Atom ETH in here. And the next is that I want to tell you that since the March until now, the Cosmos is always bleeding against the Ethereum. And I'm using the Heiken AC. So you can click in here and you click the Heiken AC. The Hagen AC is a very good indicator to define the downtrend and the uptrend. So since the September, but we have the very big red like in here in the daily time frame. We ever have the green, but the fake green, the fake green, the fake green. Well, overall, we are bearish. And now we also have the same since the January until the February. Now from the March until the April until the May. Look, this is the absolutely downtrend against the Ethereum. Before we talk about the Atom Cosmos against the USD, you need to know first about the Ethereum. Ethereum is the mother of the altcoin. And you know that we have two times fake out. That's why we don't know the bottom. Maybe the bottom can back to the December 21 in here. So back to 0.0055 in here. So you can multiply where the atom is this price and what is the price of the Ethereum. But generally speaking that you believe that this is the dip and you want to buy the dip for the atom cosmos, it's up to you. But the people who said in here the dip also saying this is the dip, this is the dip, this is a dip, and this is a dip. So how many times that the people saying this is the dip? Okay, but overall, before we see the green one, look, if we have the 3 days, the green one like this one, the green one, it's a time for you to buy. So maybe if this is the green, you can buy in here, but it's under contract. That's why if you already have the two rows green, you need to see it is just a fake out or not, because it is not a fake out. This is the fake out. That's why the key is using the Heiken IC. So remember using the Heiken IC in here. And the next about the Atom USD. The Atom Cosmos USD, I draw some support. Look, we ever hold this line, even the crash last year in the July, in the May, we also have this one. And the question is that can we going up in here? Actually, no. This week we cannot hold this line. This is the moving average one red, yeah. So the red is moving average 200. The moving to average 200 in here cannot hold the line and it's break. So the blue one is the last support. If we cannot hold this in the Atom USD, the next plan is going back to the 11K, 1100, 11 USD. It's a very possible with that here. But if we can hold this line, so the blue one, and then we can pump, so plan back to the 32 US dollar in here, or at least maybe retesting this moving average, so around the 23 US dollar. So 23 US dollar, and so like this one, and then going to down again is the possible, but this is the plan. So using the moving average like this one. Okay, that's the plan. And if we are still bullish, we can get to the 44 USD is still possible. But generally speaking, that looking for the Bitcoin, and I think is if we can pump back to the 24, it's good for you. And if you already profit, you can sell around the 24 US dollar. Why? Because for the Atom Cosmos, I am personally waiting around this phase because I'm still not buying. But if you want to buying now, it's up to you because we have the strong blue one in here. If we have a hold in the February 2021 before have the price. But so far, we hold the line this way. And the next about the Atom Bitcoin. Okay, the Atom Bitcoin also show the same, but maybe you can find that the Atom against Ethereum is bleeding, but if you see the Atom against Bitcoin since the last 2 years, since the April 2000 and I mean 2019, in here, look, we just go in the big sideways. So in here, you need to sell your Atom. In here is the middle range, and in here you buy the dip. for the Atom Cosmos against Bitcoin because everything against the Bitcoin. And now we hold this line. That's why if you want to buy the Atom in here, it's also same like in here. It's okay, but you need to see the Atom Cosmos going back to green. That's the last indicator that you need. That's why the plan for the Atom Bitcoin maybe need to back to here. So, but remember you have the rising wedge. The rising wedge in here, we already broke. Look in here, we broke this line. We ever have the support, we have the support, and in here we have. That's why you need to watching whether it still continue going downtrend or not. I hope that it can go up, but I'm still not waiting to buy in here. I'm still waiting to buy in here. And the next about the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, look, the Bitcoin dominance ever going down in here just sideways, but after this, the Bitcoin dominance back to here. But as you know, the Bitcoin dominance, even in the crash in the September, May, we ever just back to here and then going down to another. Now we ever retesting in here around March, in here February, March, but cannot hold the line and going back again. And now we are retesting. If we break above this line, I think it's a very good to all point. And usually the market is down. Okay, so always prepare that this yellow line is the exponential moving average 55 week in the weekly time frame. So you need to keep watch in here. And the last, I have two slides remaining. Okay, about the Bitcoin, about the Bitcoin first. The Bitcoin again USD, as I told you that we have this line 1, 2, 3, and 4 in here, and we ever retest in here 2 times. Actually, this white line is my first drawing, but now it's breakdown, and this blue one is our last point. So you can find this week now we are retesting in here. So from here, if we can go up, we back to the 44 US dollar. If we are going downtrend, we are back to 33, 34, 35 US dollar in here, or maybe it can going up just to retesting this line. So ever have this strong support, we going down. Now this is become the resistance, so we can go up back to the 41, 40K, and in here after hit this one confirm as to resistance and going down again. It's still possible because I think the crash happening last week, it's a very something. Even we are going up, we may be just to retesting. If you are asking me, I think we just back to the 40 points, 40.6 or 40.8K, and we are continuing to going down. But I hope I'm wrong, and we are retesting around the 44K US dollar in here. And the last way, I'm still hope that the Bitcoin can pump because look DXY. DXY is a very strong coin after since last year, but already hit this point that I shared you yesterday about my last video that the testing this Fibonacci retracement and going down. In here, still hold as the moving average 21 4 hours in the 4 hours time frame. So I hope if it can go down, if you retest in here or retest in here, the Bitcoin can fly a bit. Okay, let's hope that the DXY or index is going downtrend because the market for the stock and the Bitcoin always going at the opposite direction. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.